This is a soap that if you start using it 4 days, 5 days, that's your stubborn dark face. That's your stubborn dark face. You will start seeing improvement. Have you been battling with darker face or darker body, or both your face and your body are darker than your original complexion, or just that your face is darker than your body? In today's video, I am going to be giving you 5 best lightening brightening bar soaps that you are going to use to brighten your face or lighten your face, to lighten your skin. You might have used any of these soaps before, or even currently using it, and you are not seeing results. I am also going to tell you the best way to use all of these soaps to get the desired results that you want, because sometimes honestly it is not the product you are using, it is how you are using it, it is the frequency at which you are using it, and it is the product that you are pairing with it. So what you are going to tell me in the comment section right now is the face cream you are using, the face serum you are using, your complexion. Then I am going to tell you the actual soap you are going to pair with the with your product, which you are using to help you to achieve a good result. So I am going to be telling you these soaps, okay, and I'm also going to be telling you how to use it to get a faster, quicker result for those of you that have been struggling with dark face, because this is the recent comment I've been getting since a few days now. My face is darker, I've tried everything, I'm using this, I'm using that. So if you are that person, this particular video, I am making it for your sake, and any other person that is going to be watching this particular video. So let me know what I said in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. Now, if you have used my number 1 to number 3, you have not used my number 4 and number 5, because I have not really talked about it on this channel, but these are my OG soaps when I want to quickly lighten my skin, my face, or my body, and they never disappoint because these are super effective lightening bar soaps. So let's get into the video. You know how we do it. Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're seeing my face for the first time. Hello, welcome to the family. Consider subscribing, because right here we do everything skincare, beauty, almost on a daily basis. You are going to be learning a lot. All right, also leave a comment and share this video, because you're going to be helping somebody. Let's go. If you really want these soaps to work for you, then the second part of this video is compulsory for you to watch, because I explain exactly how to use these soaps to get very good results. Now, the first on my list is this soap. I have used a lot of soaps, but when it comes to lightening the face gently, you want to use a super lightening bar soap that is gentle on the skin, or even on the face, that will not give you any irritation, that will not give you any sensitivity. It is this soap. This is the Nano Kojic Super White Kojic Papaya Abutin soap. This is a very nice soap. Since I discovered this soap, anywhere I see it, I grab it with my 2 hands. If you see this soap, buy it. And if you have used this soap before, let us know in the comment section. This is a very good soap. Now, as I said, the reason why I like this particular one is because it is gentle. So if you know that you are someone that anytime you use all this kojic soap, it usually eats your skin, it usually irritates you, and all of those things, try to get this soap. I've bought it in different cities now, so it is not that scarce. Okay, it is not that scarce. I've seen it in about 3 supermarkets now. It is actually available. Just check your area, you are going to find this soap. It is super nice, I am not going to lie to you, and it's super duper effective. This soap is super effective. This soap is going to lighten your skin, it is going to remove sun tanning, it is going to help you with hyperpigmentation, it is going to help you with dark spots. Okay, it is super duper nice. You can use it on your face, you can use it on your body. I'm going to tell you how to use all of these soaps, but let's keep going. Now, the second one on my list, which is one of my top favorites, is the Nano Extra White soap. If you are not new to my channel, you will know the time I was using this soap back to back. This is one of the soaps that really helped to clear my dark spots last year. This is a soap that is going to give you that general face lightening and also target dark spots. Do you understand? This is a very nice soap, and I know a lot of people have used this particular one, but I am saying it for those of you that have not used it. If you have not used it, please lay your hands on this soap. If you don't see this one, get Nano Extra White. Although that particular one, I will recommend it. That is the Nano Extra White now. I will recommend it for people that have really, really tough skin. Nothing really seems to work on your skin, no matter, like, your skin likes hard things. Go for Nano Extra White, my sister, my brother. You are going to like it, and it is going to work for you. If you use it the way I am going to tell you in this video, it is going to work for you. Maybe you have tried it and it didn't work for you. Relax, I'm going to tell you exactly how to use it to get results. Now, for this one, as I said, this is for people with sensitive skin. If you know your skin is a bit sensitive, you can go for this one. Your skin can tolerate it, unless maybe your skin is now super hypersensitive. Then the video that is going to be dropping in the evening, that one is going to be for you. Your face is super hypersensitive, but you are still dealing with hyperpigmentation. Then it is my second video of today, hopefully, that is going to be for you, because I have arranged another set of soap for people that have hypersensitive skin. Okay, yes. So, but if you know you have normal sensitive skin, go for this particular one. Now, the third on my list is my 2025 favorite, and if you know, you know, that is the gluta papaya abutin soap. No, I missed it. Kojic gluta papaya abutin soap. This soup is beautiful. This soup is super duper beautiful. If you have normal skin, if you have a skin that doesn't really get irritated, see, go for this soup. Last year, 2024 stroke 2025, I recommended this soap to every human being. To every human being that asked me, what are you using? To every human being that told me, oh, please, my skin is dark, my face is dark, recommend something for me, I recommended this soap. And to every human being that I recommended it to, they came back with testimonies. I'm not talking about YouTube videos now. I'm talking about physical people I met physically. A particular lady had to recommend it to all her family members. Her brother really loved this. She said her brother has been dealing with sun tanning, dark skin, his natural fair skin. Like, this is a very beautiful soap that if you start using it, once you are using a good soap with it, a good lotion, sorry, you are using a good body lotion or a good face cream and all of those things, your skin is going to bang. Your skin is going to bang. Do you understand? So that is the third one on my list. Now, the fourth on my list is the Carot's Active Carrot Concentrate. Now, the name already gives it away. This is a highly concentrated soup. If you don't want to lighten your skin, if you don't want to lighten your face, avoid this soup. Avoid this soup. This soap is super, super effective. This is a soap that if you start using it 4 days, 5 days, that's your stubborn dark face. That's your stubborn dark face. You will start seeing improvement. 4 to 5 days, that's your stubborn dark face. You will start seeing improvement if you see this soap. Carot's Active Carrot Concentrate. This soap is super concentrated with dense carrot extract. It is super effective. It is super active for your face and for your body. It is super active. If you can find it, you get it. It is on Amazon, it is on eBay, it is on Ubuy, it is on Jumia, it is everywhere. It is in Nigeria, it is everywhere. It's basically online. So if you're in the diaspora watching, it is on it is everywhere. This soap is super duper amazing when it comes to clearing or treating or handling hyperpigmentation, lightening your face or your skin or your body, whichever part of your body it is. It is good. The fifth on my list is I use this soap for like 5 years in a row. I use this soap over and over and over and over. I use the soap, I use the body lotion. And the name of this soap is Carrot Light Exfoliating and Lightening Carrot Soup. If you know Carrot Light products, let us know in the comment section. Have you used it before? I personally use the lotion, I use the soap, I use all of their products because it is amazing. Their product works. So, but today we are talking about the bar soap because the body lotion can be a little bit extra. Okay, so but the bar soap is super amazing. One bonus that comes with carrot light bar soap is the texture of your skin. As you heard the name, it is carrot light exfoliating lightning bar soap. It is an exfoliating bar soap. Others, all these other ones are exfoliating. Do you understand? But this particular one really gives you that smooth texture. So if you know you are dealing with texture on your skin, your face is not looking smooth, you need something that you are going to use over time that is going to improve the texture of your skin. Say no more. Go for carrot light. The texture of the soap, like when you start using it, your skin is just automatically going to feel like, as I'm saying it, I'm feeling goosebumps. I'm just remembering how it used to feel on my skin and how I was super addicted. I stopped it because I became addicted to the soap. The fragrance, the way it feels on the skin, the results you get, they are super amazing. If you can lay your hands on this particular bar soap, you are going to absolutely love it. It is super duper potent. So that is the fifth one on my list. So the next section we are going to get into now is how exactly are you going to use all of these products? Any of them you can find to get fast results, super results, and also maintain the results that you get from them. All right, so before we get into the next section, kindly support your girl by hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on your post notification. It helps you to know that, you know, I'm trying. It helps you to know that I'm trying, and it helps you to, push the video out to more people. We're trying to grow this family, so please help me grow by liking, sharing, and leaving a comment. It means a whole lot to me. And also watch adverts so I can make money. So I can make money, right? Yeah. So, how are you going to use all of these products to get results? That's let's say for you that have tried these soaps and it has not worked. Now, the secret to using these soaps is as you get it. The way a lot of you get it mixed up is you get it and you try to space it out. Okay, you try to space it out. Now, that spacing it out is not for you who still has a dark face. Do you understand? Now you buy this soap, let's say you buy it today. You are going to start using it every day at night. Now, I am not going to put a cap to when you are going to stop using it every day because I have noticed that it doesn't work for a lot of people because people's skins are different, and I don't know, complexions are different. So what I'm going to say is start using the soap every day and continue using it every day for as long as your face is dark. As your face has lightened up and complexion of your face, if that is your target, the complexion of your face has reached the complexion of your body, your face, your neck, and your body now has the same complexion. This the time varies. For some people, this will take just 2 weeks. For some people, 1 month. For some people, 2 months. For some people, 3 months. For some people, 6 months. So please do not quit. And these five soaps that I listed to you, these are one of the most active soaps, bar soaps you can ever lay your hands on. So there is nothing like it did not work for you. You can switch, you can move from the number one to number two, number three, but make sure you are rotating within these five bar soaps. Okay, don't limit yourself. You can use nano extra white. When it finishes, you go to glutat papaya abutin. When it finishes, you go to nano white. When it finishes, so you can move between these five soaps, but keep moving around them until you get results. Use it every single day at night. Now, if you are using it every single day at night, as I said, it is when you now see results that you are now going to follow that principle of dropping it to 3 times a week. Okay. Now, while you are using it every day at night to wash your face, make sure you are not using it in the morning. And in the morning, you should use a plain moisturizing face wash, either a moisturizing face wash or a moisturizing bar soap on your face. A bar soap, a moisturizing bar soap that is suitable for your face. Okay, use a moisturizing bar soap or a moisturizing face wash. But at night, you use this one to wash your face solely. Do you understand? Make sure you use it to wash your face for from say 30 seconds to 60 seconds map. Massage it on your face. Rub it. Take your time. Massage it on your face. Those places you have severe dark spots. Focus on those places. Do it every see. There's no way you take your time and do this and in 2 weeks your face has not changed for good. There is no way. Just take your time and massage it on your face. Massage that massaging is key. Massage your neck. If it's all over your body, if your body is a problem, massage this soap on your body. Keep your sponge first. Okay? When you enter the bathroom, let's say it is your body. When you enter the bathroom at night, use your sponge first to wash your body with the soap. After washing your body, you rinse out your soap. After rinsing it out, that is you are removing the dirt, the oils and all of that. Your pores are now open and ready to receive the active ingredients from the soap. You now take that soap, lather it on your hands and then rub it on your body. See, I taught this thing when I started my channel and it helped a lot of people. My new subscribers then really testified. I called it the lathering method. It is the lathering method that is going to be a game changer between you today that is watching this video and you yesterday that has used any of these soaps and it didn't work for you. Lather this soap on your body, romanticize your skin. Romance yourself with the soap. Lather, rub it. Just give, if it's your body, take like 1 whole minute, 1 minute 30 seconds, rub it all over your body. When you are done, rinse out your skin, come out and apply your body lotion. 2 weeks is too much, your skin will change. Do you understand? And also for your face, but for your face, don't give it that so much time because you know the skin on your face is thinner than the skin on your body. So for the skin on your face, put the soap on your hand, wash your face once, just do like this and rinse it out. That is rinsing out the oils. If you have makeup and all of that, rinse it out. Then you lather it again and then massage. When massaging, avoid your eye area. Okay, so go around your face. When you are doing that 60 minutes, sorry, 30 seconds to 40 seconds mark, focus on the round part of your face. Then when you're about to finish, you now use it on your eye area for just like 1 second and then rinse out. This is how to use this soap. There is no way you will not see results. No way. Now, another rule to this is in the morning, oh, in the morning, you need to heavily hydrate your skin. Make sure you are using hydrating serums. Make sure in your routine you have ceramide serum, you have hyaluronic acid serum. Your face cream is a hydrating face cream that has hydrating ingredients like aloe vera, like hyaluronic acid, like ceramides, peptides, centella, that has all those super hydrating ingredients to protect your skin barrier, to protect your skin from the sun, and never skip your sunscreen. Never ever skip your sunscreen. This is a rule to brightening your face or lightening your face and lightening your body. Oh my god, this is almost 7 minutes. Let me cut it here, but I'm sure that I have given you premium information in this video. Like this is just the like the explanation part and it's 7 minutes and I really don't want to cut out a lot of things in this video. I want to make sure that you get everything I say. So if you watch to this point, I believe you are going to get results for whatever issue you are having on your face and on your body concerning pigmentation, dark spots, and all of those things. If you want to have one-on-one skin consultation with me, you want me to help you personally, to recommend face creams, face serums, help you to arrange your routine properly, how it is going to work for you. My WhatsApp number is in the description, so contact me from there. Let me help you to arrange your skin routine. I'll help you to arrange your products to work for you. So yeah, thank you for watching and I'm going to see you on any of these videos right here. Let's continue our skincare conversations.